Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a straight pickup in the graphic design department. So what we're going to look at here is core bridge, and unfortunately there's no notes in the system. This is a 14 by 14 inch etch graphic for Popeyes, and we can see here that this was cloned from order 8214. So that's going to show us where it is, even though there are no notes on where to pick it up from. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and on the farm CD orders, we're going to find 8214. And we're going to find the 14 by 14 etch, which is right here, product 7. So we're going to go ahead and right click that, open in Illustrator. It's already good to go. 14 by 14, as you can see up here in the height and width. And now what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and just rename the file. So this is 8223 product 7. So we'll just rename the artboard 8223 product 7. And it's actually a different Popeye store. So we're just going to go ahead and copy customer name. We're going to paste that in there like that. And now we're going to export for screen. So Control Alt E. And we're going to have the JPEG and the proof, because it is our standard to proof out every single job, even if it's a straight pickup. So now we're just going to go ahead and save it into 8223 work files, select folder, export it. There we go, we've got our proof and our working file. So now we go into Core Bridge and we will just go ahead and upload that JPEG. Switch it to awaiting proof approval, and go ahead and CC the sales rep, which is Barbara, and send. Thanks for watching.